Hey guys, welcome back to Resourceful Living Homestead. Brian and I are rabbit breeders, and we breed rabbits. Out here we have 2 rabbit hutches that house a lot of our rabbits. Inside of our garage, we also have a rabbit hutch that has 3 rabbits in it. Now these 3 rabbits are mamas. Their babies have already aged out and have been moved out in the other hutches. But back 3 months ago, all 3 of these had babies, just days apart. Coco had some beautiful Harlequin babies. And when they were about a week old, one of her babies came up missing out of the hutch. All of the babies were thriving, doing excellent, no issues. We had been out here the day before. Everything was fine. But then the next day, we come out here and we start counting them. Well, when we counted, the most beautiful Harlequin was missing. So at that point, we decided, I think it's time to get some kind of security set up on the rabbits so we can keep an eye on them even when we're not here. So we thought about different kinds of security cameras. We knew, since we are leaning toward off-grid for the Rabbitry, because we're going to be extending this Rabbitry, making it bigger, so all of our rabbits are under one roof. Well, we're going to be adding security. But in the meantime, while we were waiting to determine what type of security we wanted out here, we had a company reach out to us called HISEA. And they said, we have a security camera that runs off solar that we would like to send to you to do a product review on. We said, excellent. That is perfect. We'll do a product review on this camera and just see how it works out. We've been running this camera for a few days now. It gives excellent photos, excellent videos. It runs off Wi-Fi, solar. You have an app that you download. You get the photos straight on your app. It's very sensitive. Now, I've been playing around with the app, trying to figure out if I can turn down the sensitivity, and I haven't figured out how to do that yet. So, this is the security camera, along with the solar panel, and all throughout the night, every time Hunter moves around, it catches him, a flick of the ear or whatever. So it's very sensitive. It will absolutely do security for us. I will be tilting this just a tad that way, so maybe it does not capture so much of his movement. But this is going to capture, if anyone walks up right here, whether it's a person or an animal, we will get a notification on our phone. Now, you can also go live on this camera. You can go live and do pictures. You can screenshot pictures and it'll save it into your photos. You can also capture video. Those videos will automatically save to your photo app on your phone. I love the security on this, and I absolutely love that it's solar. So we have it sitting here. I have it angled like this because it's going to capture most of the day. If I was to turn it that way, it's going to capture in the morning time, but by the time it makes it up to straight up above us, it won't be capturing. But this way, it's going to get the bulk of the day. So, Housticker, I want to thank you for sponsoring today's video and for sending us this solar-powered security system, app-controlled video and photos, and you can go live. Thank you again for sending us this product to do a review on, and I'm going to give this a thumbs up. Now, if you're interested in this solar powered security camera for your homestead or for your house or for any purpose, you can find the Amazon link in the description of this video. Go check it out for yourself. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Share it out if you know anyone that's looking for a security camera for their property. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.